Angelica Caballero from BIT3 Ecomtech. For today's video, I'm going to construct a lead sequencer using 12 leads. The components that are involved in this activity are Arduino, breadboard, resistor, leads, and jumper wire. First is I'm going to drag an Arduino. Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. You can rotate this Arduino. Next is breadboard. Breadboard is a construction base for prototyping of electronics. It is a rectangular plastic board with a bunch of tiny holes in it. Like Arduino, you can also rotate the breadboard.
I'm going so low, 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 low. I'm going so low, 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 low. Used to be your girl, now I'm used to being the girl.
So I'm searching for the lead and now here it is. We need 12 leads for this activity. You can change the color of your leads whatever you like. So I like blue. And now I drag the resistor. Resistor should be 100 ohms for this activity. You can change it. Like leads, we also need 12 resistors in this activity. Now I'm going to place the leads into the breadboard and the resistor also. So leads stands for light emitting diode. It's a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current is passed through it. The longer leg of lead identified as positive or anode pin, and the short leg is negative or cathode pin.
I'm going so low, 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 low. I'm going so low, 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 low. Used to be your girl, now I'm used to being the girl.
Now I'm going to drag the last lead. Like other leads, I change it into blue. Now, let's go for the resistor. The other side of resistor's pin is connected to the cathode of lead. So I'm almost done with the resistor. Resistor, by the way, is a passive two-terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as a circuit element. In electrical circuits, resistors are used to reduce current flow, adjust signal levels, to divide voltages, bias active elements, and terminate transmission lines, among other uses. Okay, I am done placing the leads and resistor in breadboard. So the ground of Arduino and the ground of breadboard are connected to each other. You can see the negative sign of breadboard. That is the ground. So next is the other side of resistor is connected to the ground. So all resistors should connected to the ground, and the wire, you can also change the color of it.
I'm going so low, 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 low. I'm going so low, 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 low. Used to be your girl, now I'm used to being the girl. Bitch, nanin so low.
And for this time, I'm going to connect the anode pin of lead to the 13 of Arduino. So each each positive leg of um, lead should connected to the Arduino. 13 down to 2.
Running so low. I'm going so low, 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 low. I'm going so low, 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 low. Used to be your girl, now I'm used to being the girl. Not sorry. Running with the na na na. Bitch, running so low.
I'm almost done with the connections. Now I'm in the 12 lead connected to digital 2 pin of Arduino. That's all for the connections. So I think I connect it all now. And let's go for the coding. Change blocks into text. Continue. So I copy the pin mode 13 output into 13 copy. So while I'm copying, I will tell you that input in pin mode 13, I'll change it into 1 up to 13. 1 up to 13 output. I'll start to change the 13 into 1 up to pin 13, pin mode 13.
I'm going so low, 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 low. I'm going so low, 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 low. Used to be your girl, now I'm used to being the girl.
Now for the void loop. I think yung purpose nito is makikita mo kung kailan mag-on at kailan mag-off ang lead. So, the output of this activity is the leads are going to lit one by one, not together. So, here we go. I copied it all. In digital right, it shows the low. It shows the high. It shows the high and the low. So, in delay, instead of 1000 milliseconds, I change it into 300 so that it can lead easy to another lead. Can lead easy or fast to another lead. So, here we go.
Running so low. Running so low. I'm going so low, 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 low. I'm going so low, 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 low. Used to be your girl, now I'm used to being the girl.
Like in a void setup, in the void loop, I also changed the number to 1 to 13. So now here's the overall code, the void setup, and then the void loop. Void setup, it's start with the pin mode 1 to 13, and then like the void setup, it's also the same with the void loop, the numbering. And now let's simulate this and let's see what happened. It's running. I hope it will be success. So, my activity for today is successful.
Bitch, nanin solo.